Hello and welcome to another edition of the PHN Roundup, your news update for all things Port Huron Northern and the Blue Water area. I'm Eli Mayhew.
And I'm Avery Witter, and here are your stories of the week. Attention students, conferences are next week here at PHN. There will be half days on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday next week. Dismissals at 11. Tech students, there will be no PM Tech on the half days and no AM Tech on Thursday. Conferences are 5-day on Wednesday. Thursday's conferences are 11:45 to 2:45 and 5 to 8 p.m. Teachers have conference sheets if you have not gotten one yet.
Last week here at PHN, we held our 2025 NHS Induction ceremony. This ceremony at PHN celebrates our newest members who have shown leadership, service, and character. Each inductee has worked hard in the classroom and in our community. As they take the NHS pledge, we recognize their achievements and look forward to the positive impact they will continue to make at Northern and beyond.
Although homecoming preparations are in full swing here at PHN, your sports teams have continued to dominate in their fields. Let's go to Andrew and Griffin at the sports desk to learn more.
Thanks, guys. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and multiple PHN teams have raised awareness to a great cause with their annual Pink Out Games. Last Thursday, the Northern soccer team hosted their Pink Out game against rival school Port Huron High. Northern won 3-0 with goals scored by Landon Thomas, Andrew Becker, and Lucas Sansom. Unfortunately, the soccer season ended the other day in a district matchup against Anchor Bay. Congrats on your season, Huskies.
Last Wednesday, the girls' volleyball team traveled to PH for their Pink Out game as well. Unfortunately, despite an early lead, the Huskies fell to the Redhawks in the fifth set, losing the match 3-2. Catch the Huskies' next game at home on October 15th for senior night as they face L'Anse Creuse High School at 6:30 in the main gym.
Northern football took control of the MAC Blue with a statement win against Fraser last Friday night. The Huskies came out hot when Lincoln Watkins opened up scoring with a 23-yard touchdown run. And then later added two more through the air with passes from quarterback Vincent Venatili, including a 49-yard bomb in the third quarter.
On defense, Landon Mullane delivered a game-changing pick six, while Amir Moreland added a 28-yard rushing touchdown. Tonight, the Huskies have a chance to outright win the MAC Blue when they host Warren in the big homecoming game. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. at Memorial Stadium, but the theme for tonight's game is whiteout. And remember, baby powder is not allowed in Memorial Stadium, so show up, be loud, and good luck, Huskies.
Now back to Avery and Eli at the desk.
Thanks, guys. Leading up to homecoming, students and teachers participated in Spirit Week. Monday was USA Day, dressing up in red, white, and blue. Tuesday was City Day, dressing up in apparel with cities on it. Wednesday was Frat Day, dressing up in Greek letters and jerseys. Thursday was PJ Day, dressing in flannel pants and comfy clothes. And today is Blue and Gold Day, dressing in PHN apparel or whiteout for tonight's whiteout game.
During lunches this week leading to homecoming, there were games where each class could earn points towards the barrel. Monday was a lunch-wide trivia, and Tuesday, students got to participate in Cheeto Toss. Wednesday, students showed off their basketball skills with a mini hoop shooting competition. And finally, Thursday, students showcased their ping pong skills with a ping pong tournament. Thank you to everyone who participated. There will be no lunch games today since this afternoon is a school-wide homecoming assembly. 5th and 6th hour will be shortened and the assembly will take place in the main gym at 1 p.m. Be sure to sit with your grade and be loud and proud and show off your school pride.
The homecoming dance is tomorrow, October 11th. The dance is from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. here at Port Huron Northern in the cafeteria. Here are a few reminders for the dance. First, make sure you bring your school ID. There will also be no re-entry into the dance. And lastly, make sure you have picked up by 10 p.m. from the school. Thank you, and we hope to see you there.
While students have plenty to say about their teachers, our staff has some thoughts of their own. We asked teachers to act out their biggest student pet peeves. Here's what they had to say.
My biggest pet peeve is when a student sends me an email with the entire message in the subject line.
Bro, I'm working on Alex. I'm not playing no games. Bro, come on. There's only 6-7 minutes left of class.
6-7, 6-7.
6-7. Hi, Mrs. Barless.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I just want to know if I can change my schedule.
Well, let's talk. What do you need?
Well, I would like to have first hour with my best friend.
No.
Mrs. Bartless. Well, could I at least have lunch with my friends? I would like... Mrs. Bartless.
Here I am, walking through my hallway during a passing time. How funny. I'm such a funny guy.
This sound makes me crazy.
Guys, announcement. We are having a test tomorrow.
It's great. What's the test?
That is my biggest pet peeve. Right there.
Could you stop that? I'm taking a test. I'm trying to take a test here.
So basically x equals 3 because this is x right here.
Hello. You gotta wake up. You gotta wake up. All right, class, we're gonna get together. Everybody turn in their papers. Yes? What are we doing? I just explained it for 10 minutes, but you were sleeping.
Is the class over yet?
Hey, Mr. Barnes, I'm just turning in last week's warm-up a little late, okay? Then you'd caught it the next day. Same student. Dear Mr. Barless, I turned in my warm-up yesterday and it's not graded yet. Could you please take care of that?
No.
Okay, class, today we're going to learn some math.
No.
Girls, we're going to learn some math.
Can we share this? You can have this one, but I need
Ladies, can you put your spaghetti away? We're going to learn some math
But
today.
it's really good. Do you want to bite? Her mom made it, and it was so fun because we were at her house. And then I had to go because I'm pregnant, but...
That's okay. Math. So, we got some X's. Yes.
Is this going to be on the test?
Yes, that's why.
But like, why do we need to know it? Like, why is it important to us?
Yeah, because
Does everybody use this in real life?
Yeah. Oh, so you mean my pet peeve besides somebody coming in and asking me to videotape in the middle of my lunch?
Thank you, teachers. It might have been a bad idea letting the student body know our teachers' pet peeves.
Yeah, that may not have been the best choice, but that's it for this week's update. Tune in next time for all things Port Huron Northern. Have a great homecoming and
Go Huskies! I think that was pretty good.
I do too.